Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for some super smooth shifting on your mountain bike, I want to show you this derailleur from Sram. So this is the Sram GX Eagle 12-speed derailleur. We have this paired here with the 1050T cassette from Sram, and it's also compatible with the 1052T cassette, so you do have some options there, which is nice. This derailleur is super rugged, and we have found that it shifts super smoothly. Even on a hard climb with a lot of pressure, it can definitely handle it. You can see here that there's not a lot of noise either with the shifting. It's pretty quiet, which is nice too. So the derailleur is made from aluminum with a steel spring, so it's lightweight and strong at the same time. We have been really happy with the performance of this derailleur, and it's definitely added to the comfort of this bike setup, and we're really pleased with it. So we've been really happy with this derailleur system, and that's my point of view.